Welcome to today's news. SBI SCO Recruitment 2024. State Bank of India has invited application for specialist cadre officers post to fill up 25 vacancies. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of SBI at https://sbi.co.in. The registration process starts on November 27 and will end on December 17, 2024. Vacancy details: Head Product Investment and Research 1 post, Zonal Head 4 posts, Regional Head 10 posts, Relationship Manager Team Lead 9 posts, Central Research Team Product Lead 1 post. Qualification: Head Product Investment and Research, graduation or post-graduation from government recognized university. Zonal Head, Regional Head, Relationship Manager, graduation from government recognized university. Central Research Team Product Lead, post-graduation in economics, commerce, finance, accountancy, business management, statistics, business administration from government recognized university or institution, or CA or CFA. Get more details from official website of SBI at https://sbi.co.in. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.